Press the menu button and use the arrows to find the temperature settings. Use the arrow to increase the temperature level and press OK to confirm. Place the cups or glasses to be used on the active cup warmer while the appliance is on. Before making a coffee, preheat the system and the cup or glass to be used by carrying out a manual rinse cycle. Press the menu button and use the arrows to find the energy saving function. Press OK to disable. Finally, check out the coffee recipes on the DeLonghi website at www.seriousaboutcoffee.com to find out more about the coffee drinks you like to make.